Hey guys, Jonathan here from Green Reconditioning. I just want to let you guys know we're going to start a new episode series called Quick Tips, just 5-10 minutes of some of the little things that I've found have really helped quality and making me faster along the way. But also I wanted to just kind of open it up to you guys. I know there's a lot of guys out there that are just really good at what you do and you've been doing a long time. If you have anything that you'd like to share, a tip or anything, feel free to send it to me, jb at greenreconditioning.com, and I'd be happy to post it to my YouTube, give you the credit, all that. So feel free to send those and check out some of the tips we got coming your way. Have a great day.